Guys, today I am going to talk about the 6 good habits called savers, which Hal Elrod authored in his famous book The Miracle Morning to become successful in our life. Before knowing about the 6 good habits which are popularly known as savers, let's know what made the author to write this book. In 1999, Hal Elrod was involved in a serious automobile accident. After having many surgeries and after many months of hospitalization, doctors told him that he may not walk again. But Hal Elrod did not lost hope, and finally, he started walking again, and he says he achieved this feat because of the 6 habits he used to follow, which he mentioned about these 6 morning habits in his book The Morning Miracle. In his book, the author says, to be more productive, focused and successful all the day, we have to rise early and follow these 6 morning habits called savers. Now let's know what this SAVER acronym stand for. In savers, S stand for silence. For this, the author says every day we have to start your day by doing a simple meditation. Doing this makes everyone more focused and gain high levels of concentration required for the entire day if we want to be more productive. Now in savers acronym, the letter is for affirmation. For this, the author says every day if we start our day by affirming positive affirmations repeatedly, we can reprogram our subconscious mind. Now in savers acronym, the letter V is for visualization. For this, the author says that every day we have to visualize what we want and how we want to achieve it. By doing this daily, it brings more confidence in what we do. Now in savers acronym, the letter E is for exercise. For this, the author says that every day we have to spend some time doing any exercise like walking or so. By this we will be fit and active. Now in savers acronym, the letter R is for reading, and for this the author says that every day we have to spend some time reading a book, and he says to do this regularly. Now in savers acronym, the letter S is for scribing, and for this the author says that every day we have to mention a diary, and in that he says to write everything like our ideas, mistakes, and after doing it he wants to reevaluate the things or the mistakes so that we may not repeat them again. Finally, the author says if we need to achieve our goals and want to be more productive all the day, we need to do these 6 good things daily in the morning for 30 days without fail to see the results. So guys, this is what I learned from the book The Miracle Morning, and I hope you enjoyed it. And I thank you for watching this video till the end.